Hello, welcome to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. Today we're going to go over Autopond features in the program WHMM-SWMM. So to start off, we're going to select a point on the map. I'm using King County, but you can use any county for this feature. So I'm going to select an area on the map. Then I'm going to go to the Scenario tab, select Pre-Developed, and I'm going to add a basin. Right click to connect that basin to the point of compliance. Then I'm going to give that basin 10 acres of flat forest. Then next I'm going to go to the Mitigated tab, add a basin, add a pond, connect them, connect the trapezoidal pond to the point of compliance. Open up the basin. I'm going to give the basin 5 acres of flat road and 5 acres of flat lawn. Next I'm going to click on the trapezoidal pond and select Autopond. Move the slider all the way to the right and now select Create Pond. Now this process can take a while due to the amount of calculations the program is running, so we will jump ahead in the video to when the process is done. So as you can see, Autopond has finished running, so I'm going to select OK. I'm going to go to the Analysis tab after I close this out. I'm going to go to the Analysis tab and select POC 1. And as you can see, WHMM-SWMM loads the percent time exceeding in the Analysis tab. In another video, we'll go over all the other different tabs we can access here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it in a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.